with Dr. Lai, we'd heard about, my wife had saw it on the internet, and then we went and talked to him in person and went to a luncheon thing they had and listened to what they had to say about it. And I thought, oh gosh, it'd be so great to do stem cells and actually have it, get what I would like to get out of it. I came in, it went real quick. They called and they had the stem cells flown in from Boise. And so then I just laid down. They took a needle, ran an IV into me, and then ran the stem cells into the IV. So it was very simple. It was no pain. And it was just easy to do. I mean, I was in and out in 10 minutes. I mean, like my toes were all curled before. I was having a lot of trouble walking. And this was on the other medicine before I did the stem cell. Like I say, I have moments I don't even shake. Obviously, this might not be one of them. But it's been like a miracle, I'm telling you. It's just knowing that it's helped, even if I didn't get any more help out of it than what I did, it's a whole lot better than where I was going, because where I was at before is they keep increasing the medicine. And it's like, it seems like more drugs is always the answer to Parkinson's. Well, Dr. Lai, the very first time I met him, I didn't really know what to think. And he's been so positive through the whole thing. And it's like when you talk to him, his goal is to get you better. It isn't to get, it's like when I talk to him, he doesn't get so I'm handling it better. His goal is to cure me. And that's the feeling you get from him, that he is actually there for you. It has helped me so much because, like I say, I'm walking now, I'm talking better, because obviously you didn't see me before, but I'm talking a whole lot better and I'm walking a lot better. And so I went to Disneyland and I was able to walk around with the whole area with my kids and grandkids. And without a doubt, Dr. Lai has definitely changed my life, and I know it'll keep getting better.